Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl D Love, and this is gonna be my first attempt to do this video. I'm gonna be packing up my baby's bag and for the hospital in my bag, okay? Now, mind you, I'm a mother of 9, so I do not overpack. They give you a lot of stuff at the hospital. I'm not packing that much stuff, but I am gonna show you what I am packing. I'm gonna try to pack up, and it's really nothing, because like I said, they give you diapers, wipes, all that stuff. The essentials just to go home. I already got the car seat now, and I just got a few things. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Sorry about the angle. Let's get to it. So I got this little cute bag that my friend gave me, a little small diaper bag that I'm going to be taking. So we're going to pack this one up right now. So basically, this is a baby little swaddle. Like, it can turn into a blanket and it swaddles the baby. Although they do give you swaddles in the hospital. I'm gonna put that in the bag. I just got literally a pair of socks to go home, and these little cute things he can wear to go home. And I am having a boy, so we're gonna put that into a little cute mini bag. To go home onesie. To go home outfit that his grandma got him. So cute. So I'm gonna actually take it off the hanger. And I do have to run it through the washer. So that's what I plan to do. So I do need to do that because time's ticking. Extra pacifiers or binkies, which they do give you one at the hospital. A bottle, just in case he wants to get formula, but I am breastfeeding. Baby hats. I believe they use small baby hats, but just in case, because his head will be really small. Little baby. Go home blanket from the hospital. Boy syringe. Even though they do give you these, I like to always have one in the car seat in case your baby chokes and you can't get that mucus and stuff out. I've had a couple scares with the other kids, so that's that. And also an extra baba that I'm gonna put on the side, the little bottle holder thing, just in case. Okay, and this is his his little mini bag. So this is all he really needs. He probably won't even use none of this stuff besides the go home outfit, because like I said, they give you half the stuff. So then this will be the extra bag for all the baby stuff, wipes, diapers, and it's Mickey Mouse, so cute. All the stuff they give you, diapers, wipes, bottles, little bottles, I believe, some formula. I don't really remember because I haven't had a baby in almost 3 years, so we're gonna get updated. I'll let you guys know how it is. So yeah. And this to breastfeed baby boy. This is a cover for it, which is so cute. And then Boppy pillow. It looks like this. So boom, so cute. Basically to help me breastfeed the baby boy. So I'll show y'all my bag. Shout out to my friend for giving me all these bags. It's like a lunch bag that my friend gave me, but I'm going to be using it for me, of course, for my little hospital bag. So cute. It's nice and lightweight. Basically, I'm going to be going home in a pajama set, so I'd be comfortable. I stay in the gown at the hospital. I don't do none of that extra stuff. On the last day, I shower, and then if I'm able to, and then I put on my pajamas or sweats to go home. So now let's talk about what I'm bringing. Oh, well, also, I have this for my computer. Gotta pack the laptop, the MacBook. Gotta have a MacBook for editing, and you know. Charger. Long cord, okay, baby? Gotta have a long cord. iPhone charger. And then this, because I don't want to have a strong scent after I had a baby. So, okay, let's load up. Deodorant. A light spray, which when I'm breastfeeding, I don't really want to put too much on my body. Hair gel. We got hair spray. More hair stuff for my hair. Setting makeup spray in case I want to do makeup. I don't plan on doing makeup, but just in case. Foundation. This is my hair stick. This is the bigger makeup that's not going to fit in a small little bag, so I'm putting it in here just in case. My actual glasses that I wear. Nivea lotion, but I'm going to put it in a different bag. More hair stuff. If I feel okay in the baby sleep, I'll get up and like try to do something to my hair. These headphones, I'm also bringing my AirPods just to have some, you know, music. A hair thick band thing for my hair. And then we have this to sharpen my makeup. So that's what's going in this bag. I'll also have my water bottle, but they do give you a water bottle from the hospital. Because ain't nothing like hospital ice. My robe, definitely gonna bring that. And then, other than that, oh yeah, some chapstick. Now, let's load these up. So, and I'll show you as far as the makeup goes. This, I have a cord for it, so it can have a light too, but the light is not necessary, so I might bring the cord. And I have my makeup pieces that I use, and you already know, boom. And this is gonna go portable, you know, and I could see my face and stuff when I do my makeup. So that's just sitting on the dresser already ready to go. And it, like I said, it does light up. So this is really nice to have. I'll pack like a few, my favorite brushes that I need, which is probably like 2 or 1, and a sponge to go. Sponge, a brand new makeup sponge. Okay, I'm going to be bringing my little fan that I just love because your girl be hot. And I got these 2 bags for my hygiene essentials. I'll just load them up. It really doesn't matter how. My Aquaphor for my face. This just in case for my face. My soap. This for my face. Lip scrub. To wash my face, the little wrist things, and the band so I can wash my face. Tongue scrubber. Face washers. Shavers in case. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Lip gloss. Already said chapstick. Gotta have floss. And I already say tongue scraper. And mouthwash. And that's it. So I'm gonna put them in the bags and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm actually gonna put my soap in the bag. Toothpaste and mouthwash is gonna go in my bag. And the toothbrush, since it is kind of big to fit in the small bags. I'll put the headband in the bag. Put these cuff things in this bag. I'm actually gonna put the scraper in the bag too. And then the last thing I was gonna pack is just like I said, the I put 2-piece pajama set. Y'all seen that little blue pajama set that I like to wear. I'm just gonna be wearing that. Here's my bag, and then this is an extra little bag. I'll probably put makeup brushes in here. So we'll put a few makeup brushes in here. And then, yeah, and that's it. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I'm ready to get this baby out. Countdown starts now, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe.